Hello, lovely friends. Welcome back to my channel. Also, if you are new, welcome. My name is Sarah. You are watching my channel for Cleaning Out Loud. I am a wife and a mum to 3 boys. Today, my house needs a reset. I challenged myself to get this done one day. Spoiler, I didn't, but it's okay. I showed up and did what I could. Gone are the days of a top to bottom clean in one day. So my advice to you, if you are struggling to get up and get it done, is be kind to yourself. Whatever you've managed to achieve is good enough. So to get myself going, I'm starting with a coffee. I needed the kick up my rear. Otherwise, I'd probably have gone for a snooze on the sofa. How are we all doing this week, guys? Here in the UK, we're having a heat wave, so I've swapped my hot coffee for an iced coffee. Okay, guys, buckle up. Here we go. So this is my kitchen. This is after the boys have left, had their breakfast, gone to school. So as you can see, it's not too bad. My floor needs a good hoover, washing that I need to address. And then going out into the hallway. This is pretty standard for a morning. Dressing gowns left lying around. I have to take them shorts back to the shop because I bought the wrong size for my son. So going into the living room, if I can get through the gate. We have cushions on the floor and the pile of doom. So we have literally been living out of this washing basket rather than me putting it away. And then, of course, this is another load that I need to fold so that can all go away together. I'm looking after my friend's dog. If you see that we have another dog that's not ours, this is Haggis. He's absolutely gorgeous. So all in all, the living room's not too bad. And then I take you back out into the hallway. Close the gate because Haggis is an escape artist. He literally sneaks past you without you even realising and will run out the front door. So into the porch now. I've not looked in the toilet, so fingers crossed. Okay, we're not too bad in here. Not too bad. It just needs a quick going over. Now, I think upstairs is where the where the problems start. So we've had an absolute beautiful day yesterday. It was the hottest day of the year, I believe. And then today it's really dark and gloomy, so I'm putting on the lights just so I can show you. Right, so this is pretty much what I'm faced with as I walk up the stairs. This is my middle son's room. Wow, I need to get in here and address it. But you know, I can't grumble because look at my room. Right, what does my youngest's room? Oh look, I've got yeah. This is my youngest room. Apparently, everyone got the memo of the let's not make our beds or tidy our rooms this morning. Another plate of toast. Guess, you know, at least they're eating. So going into the bathroom, this is the room that I really hold my breath with and pray. It doesn't look too bad. Just got, you know, the usual toothpaste on the sink. How's the toilet looking? Yeah, I'm not going to show you in there because TMI. It's very gross. This is the bathroom. Not too bad, seen worse. So I'm starting with the laundry. Guys, I'm always doing laundry. As a family of 5, it's never ending. Every time I find myself not wanting to do this chore, my inner voice starts singing, A load a day keeps the chaos away. I mean, if you have kids, we all know it's never just a load a day. But I humour her and it's become a habit. However, folding and putting away, she seems to have lost her voice, and the washing pile ends up taunting me until I silence it in my Monica cupboard, only to see the light of day when we've run out of clothes. After the laundry, I'm going to give the living room some attention. I've noticed it needs a wipe over and a good hoover.
Diving deep into the waves, babe. I know that you want it to. It's a risk worth taking, even if it's over soon. Want you skin tight, close like denim. Come on, love me right. When it's ending, I'll be fine. I got your body close to mine. Call me if it's only for tonight. Your hands on my body, 'cause my body's what you like. I'm down if you're down to get it now. Call me, baby, if it's only for tonight. Call me if it's only for tonight. Your hands on my body, 'cause my body's what you like. I'm down if you're down to get it now. Call me, baby, if it's only for tonight. If it's only for tonight. Call me, baby, if it's only for tonight. If you need somebody, you know I'm the one for you. I won't tell nobody. Keep it on the down low, just us two. Want you skin tight, close like denim. Come on, love me right. When it's ending, I'll be fine. I got your body close to mine. Call me if it's only for tonight. Your hands on my body, 'cause my body's what you like. I'm down if you're down to get it now. Call me, baby, if it's only for tonight. If it's only for tonight. Call me, baby, if it's only for tonight. Call me if it's only for tonight. Your hands on my body, 'cause my body's what you like. I'm down if you're down to get it now. Call me, baby, if it's only for tonight. If it's only for tonight. Call me, baby, if it's only for tonight.
The kitchen is quick and easy today. Just cleaning up after breakfast and giving the floor a hoover to get rid of all the crumbs.
I'm so beautiful without you. Now my skin glows and it shines like glue. I'm pretty without you. Pretty without you. Pretty without you. Pretty without you. I get my beauty sleep without you. No more nicotine turning my hands blue. I'm pretty without you. Pretty without you. Pretty without you. Feeling lonely was hard, but it was all for the better. Taking care of myself, haven't done that in forever. No mascara under my eyes since you left with your life. No makeup on my sleeve, now I can't keep it together. I'm so beautiful without you. Now my nails can grow and I bought new shoes. I'm pretty without you. Pretty without you. Pretty without you. Feeling lonely was hard, but it was all for the better. Taking care of myself, haven't done that in forever. No mascara under my eyes since you left with your lies. No makeup on my sleeve, now I can't keep it together. I loved and I lost what's left of my heart. I'm saving for the future. And in the meantime, I'm all for me time. Feeling good and looking cuter. I'm so beautiful without you. Now my skin glows and it shines like glue. I'm pretty without you. Pretty without you. Pretty without you. Pretty without you.
After a quick toilet clean, it's time to address the hallway. The washing needs to go upstairs, but in the meantime, I'm just going to push it into the kitchen so I can tidy and give a quick hoover.
Oh, my mind and my seas, all I need from you to me. Oh, my mind and my seas, all I need from you to me. Oh, my mind and my seas, all I need from you to me. Oh, my mind and my seas, all I need from you to me. Why can't you see me on my knees?
By this point, I'd got so hot that my hair went up and I changed my top. It is still the same day, I promise. Now I've moved into my youngest's bedroom. It really could do with a good deep cleaning here, but today I'm just focused on doing the surface cleaning.
For you, baby, I'm falling down, and I need you to catch me. Oh, my mind and my seas, all I need from you to me. Oh, my mind and my seas, all I need from you to me. Intimacy is all I need.
High and low points to the week. So my high is the lovely sunshine. It's amazing how the weather affects me. Not only does the sun help my mood, it also means I can smash out the washing, hang it outside, and it be dry in 20 minutes. We've really enjoyed time as a family in the pool and sitting in the garden chatting nonsense. It's days like this that I cherish and store in my memory bank. So my low points is all the in-between moments of my high points. The washing I now need to fold. The constant reminders to the boys about shouting, fighting and splashing next door's washing line. I also had the dentist this week. I talked myself into such a state of anxiety when my physical symptoms make me ill. I'd understand if I was having invasive work done, but I wasn't. It was a simple checkup. That took 2 minutes. Because of the storm I created, I'm now in what I call the anxiety hangover stage. This is where I'm super on edge, high alert for a few days until my nerves have calmed. This is usually when my cleaning therapy kicks in. I'm really struggling with hay fever. You can probably hear it when I take a breath in. It's making me quite wheezy. And it's not only me that's suffering. My middle son had to take a day off school because his eyes were so swollen. Thankfully, an antihistamine did the trick and he was all right after a couple of hours. But it's really bad this year. Like, I don't ever remember feeling this rough. So you've just seen that I've cleaned the middle child's room. This actually went quicker than expected. So I was just doing the usual wipe over, making his bed and hoovering. Now I am in the bathroom. I think this is definitely the final room that I managed to get done on this day before I had to accept the fact that I wasn't going to get the whole house done. So I'm giving the sink a quick bleach. The toilet needs a bit more than just a quick bleach. I've angled the camera so you can't quite see what I'm about to have to scrub off of the toilet. So it's coming to the time where I have to sign off and say goodbye to you guys. I just want to thank you all for sticking around to the end. If you are not subscribed, please would you consider subscribing? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and come and chat to me in the comments. It really is the highlight of my week, getting to know you guys. As always, have a fantastic weekend. I will see you next Saturday. Much love.